Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. In this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from rational equations which we'll be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominator cannot be 0. So I can use quadratic formula. I will write x cannot be equal to minus b, so minus 3 plus minus square root 3 square is 9 minus 4ac is 8, 9 plus 8 is 17 over 2 times a is 2. So answer cannot be minus 3 plus minus root 17 over 2. Now we will write our equation. 2 is common from first two terms. So x square plus 3x in the bracket. Then we have minus 5 and then we have whole square over x square plus 3x minus 2 whole cube equal to minus 12 square is 144. Now x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x. So let us consider x square plus 3x, suppose m. So we can write our equation 2 times m minus 5 whole square over m minus 2 whole cube equal to minus 144 is 18 times 8 also. So we can write 18 times 8. Now I will divide both sides by 8. So let's divide. I will write here 2 cube as 8. Here we can write 2 cube. This is 8. So we can cancel 8 and 8. Now I will club these two products, these two multipliers. Altogether we will get 2m minus 5 whole square over 2 times m 2m, 2 times 2 4 whole cube. And right hand side will be minus 18. Now we can use our substitution as per our steps. 2m minus 5 we will assume n. So I can write 2m minus 4 will be n plus 1. So I can write equation here n square over n plus 1 whole cube equal to negative 18. Now n equal to suppose 1 over u. So I can write here 1 over u square over 1 over u plus 1 whole cube. This will be equal to minus 18, or we will get 1 over u square and in denominator 1 over u cube. So can we write u directly over u plus 1 whole cube equal to minus 18. Let us solve. Here u over u plus 1 whole cube equal to negative 18. Now we will use one manipulation step. We will add here 1 and subtract 1. Now we will split our numerator with u plus 1 and with respect to our denominator. So we can write u plus 1 over u plus 1 whole cube. Then we have minus 1 over u plus 1 whole cube equal to minus 18. Now u plus 1 will be cancelled out, so power will be 2 left. I will write 1 over u plus 1 whole square minus 1 over u plus 1 whole cube equal to negative 18. Or we can write 1 over u plus 1 whole square minus 1 over u plus 1 whole cube equal to negative 18. Now we can assume 1 over u plus 1 suppose equal to v. So I can write v square minus v cube equal to minus 18. Let's solve this cubic equation. Take all the terms to RHS. We will get v cube minus v square minus 18 equal to 0. Now I will use factorization method. So I will write v cube minus v square. Minus 18 we can write minus 27 plus 9 equal to 0. Or v cube minus 27. We can write 3 cube, then minus v square, then we have plus 9, which will be writing 3 square equal to 0. Or v cube minus 3 cube, minus is common here, in bracket v square minus 3 square. Now we will use a cube minus b cube formula and a square minus b square formula. Let's use v minus 3 in first bracket times v square plus 3v plus 3 square 9 minus v plus 3 times v minus 3 equal to 0. Now v minus 3 is common. In other bracket we will get v square plus 3v plus 9 minus v minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to simplify bracket. Here it is. So from here we will be writing either v minus 3 equal to 0 or v square plus 2v plus 6 equal to 0. Now from first equation v minus 3 equal to 0, we can write v will be equal to 3. From second equation, I can check discriminant value. So I will write here d. b square minus 4ac. So 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 6, which will give us 4 minus 24. Discriminant is negative. We will get complex solutions. So this quadratic we can reject as we are looking for real solutions. So accepted value is v equal to 3. v equal to 3. Now v was our substitution. 1 over u plus 1 equal to 3. Now I will switch numerator and denominator or take reciprocal both sides. We will get u plus 1 equal to 1 over 3. Take away 1 from both sides. We will get u equal to 1 over 3 minus 1. Or I can write 1 minus 3, which is minus 2 over 3. Now u was reciprocal of n. So I can write n equal to 1 over u. So this value will be equal to minus 3 over 2. Now n was 2m minus 5. So I will write 2m minus 5 equal to minus 3 over 2. Add 5 to both sides. We will get 2m equal to 5 minus 3 over 2. Or I can write 10 minus 3, 7 over 2. So m will come out 7 over 4. Now m was x square plus 3x. So m is 7 over 4. Now I will put the value of m as x square plus 3x. Here it is. Now I will take all the terms to one side. So x square plus 3x minus 7 over 4 equal to 0. Now I will use quadratic formula. So as per formula, minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Here a is coefficient of x square 1, b is coefficient of x 3, c is negative 7 over 4. Let's apply all the values. So minus b, I will write minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square is 9, minus 4 times a is 1, C is negative 7 over 4 over 2 times 1, so 2. Now we will cancel this 4 and denominator 4, and this will give us minus 3 plus minus is square root 9 plus 7 over 2, or we can write minus 3 plus minus is square root 16 over 2, or we can write minus 3 plus minus 4 over 2. So we have two values of x. X will be equal to minus 3 plus 4 over 2, so 1 over 2, and second value will be minus 3 minus 4 over 2, so minus 7 over 2. So we have two real solutions. X is equal to half and x is equal to negative 7 half. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Bye bye.